Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by treating the sensor like a camera lens. Clean the top bezel and remove any bulky case or protector that might block it. Once done, restart the phone and place a real call to test behavior. If the screen still goes off, force stop the phone app and clear its cache. This resets temporary settings and often fixes software glitches. Make sure you test again after each change so you can narrow down whether it's hardware or app-related. Now isolate software causes. Boot into safe mode, press and hold power, then long press power off and make a test call. If the problem stops, a third-party app is at fault. Next, open phone settings and turn off pocket mode or any call screen timeout options because these can prematurely darken the display. Also update MIUI and the phone app and verify sensor or call permissions are allowed. These steps address deeper configuration and compatibility issues that simple restarts won't fix. If software troubleshooting fails, back up your data and perform a factory reset to restore default system behavior. This removes corrupt settings that persist across updates. Once reset, test calls before restoring everything. If the screen still goes off, the proximity sensor may be faulty, get it tested or replaced at an authorized service center because physical damage or misalignment requires hardware repair. As a quick workaround, use speakerphone or a headset during calls until repair is complete, and document.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.